Okay, so here's a look at the Excel workbook our group created that broke sentences down based on their positive or negative sentiment, and then defined the keywords that were in the positive or negative sentences and depict them graphically to give people an idea of what words appeared most frequently in what type of reviews. So we were given 3 different types of reviews: Amazon, IMDb, and Yelp. So what you're looking at here is the actual sentiment of each sentence. So anytime you see a 0, that corresponds to a negative sentence or a negative review, whereas a 1 represents positive sentences or positive reviews. So we did that for all IMDb, Amazon, and Yelp reviews. Next, we have our bag of words given to us from the course website. So using the bag of words that we were given, we were able to use a sum function to depict the number of times the words appear in each sentence. So as you can tell, the word the, based on the sum function, appears 840 times in all IMDb reviews. Once we were able to sum all of the number of times each word appears, we sorted this data from largest to smallest, left to right. So the most frequently appearing words appear on the left, and then go down to the least frequently appearing. Next, we were able to break up each individual word and into how often it appears in both positive and negative sentences. So we use a sum and if statement function through Excel to give us the number of times specific words appear in specific types of sentences. So as you can tell, the word the appears 308 times in positive sentences and only 274 times in negative sentences. So we did this through all the words in the bag of words given to us. From there, we were able to determine keywords that frequently appeared in all types of reviews. So for instance, we chose words like good, friendly, delicious for positive reviews, and then worst, didn't, bland, wasn't for negative reviews. And then we depicted how often they appeared in both positive and negative sentences. Then once we had that information, we were able to graphically display it through a bar graph. That just gives the reader a visual representation of how often it appears. So like for instance, for Amazon reviews, the word great appears over 90 times in positive sentences and only less than 5 times in negative sentences, whereas the word not appears less than 20 times in positive sentences and over 100 times in negative sentences. Here's a look at the reg expression VBA code given to us in class. But again, the majority of this project was conducted through the use of simple Excel programming.